Violence, blockade, and rocket exchange between Hamas fighters and Israeli air forces continues as we speak. Images showing the scale of destruction in Gaza are devastating. Fears have grown for most of Gaza's 2.3 million residents in the long-blockaded territory. As Gaza loses power, the fear of crowded hospitals turning into morgues becomes more and more real with every passing minute, while the Israeli Energy Minister vowed that Tel Aviv will not allow any essential resources or humanitarian aid to Gaza until all Israelis captured by Hamas fighters are released.
As this round of large-scale Israeli-Palestinian conflicts entered the sixth day on Thursday, U.S. Secretary of State Antony Blinken arrived in Israel, pledging support and more armed delivery to Israel. In a live broadcast statement alongside Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu, Blinken said that more shipments of U.S. arms are on the way. A cargo plane carrying the first shipment of advanced weaponry from the U.S. arrived in Israel on Tuesday.
Egypt said today that the Egyptian side of the Rafah crossing, the only one connected to the outside world for Gaza Strip, is functioning normally. Egypt called on Israel not to attack the Palestinian side of the crossing infrastructure to ensure the emergency and the humanitarian passage. In addition to that, a plane load of emergency supplies from Jordan arrived at Rafah crossing. That's good news for Gaza people. The international community is increasingly concerned about the deteriorating humanitarian situation in the Gaza Strip after Israel cut off electricity and water supplies yesterday.